Hey, it's your boy C-Man Bamboosy, back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be covering Suet, how to make it. I'm not going to be showing you how to make it, but I will be telling you how to make it. I'm going to be going over some very good Suet brands, and I live in Maine, so you may not be able to find these brands, but you probably will because, they're not exclusive to Maine. Anyway, let's get started. This one right here, Birdwatcher's Best Superior Blend Suet, I definitely recommend. Great for year-round birds and like what shows here, chickadees and woodpeckers. Definitely recommend this one. Going to be trying it out very soon, but by the ingredient analysis, very good. Recommend it and high quality. This one, year-round, seems like a very generic one. Again, analysis isn't so great. I wouldn't really recommend this one for winter. Definitely a more summer, spring blend. But just a very overall okay by the analysis with the ingredient list. Also, I don't really know this brand. It may be called year-round, but definitely based on the analysis is very year-round generic. But again, better for summer and spring. So, don't know the brand of this. You may see it. Definitely summer and spring again. This one is from the C&S brand. It is the Sunflower Delight No Melt Suet Dough. Again, its ingredients are corn, sunflower meal, rendered beef suet, aka beef fat, oats, sunflower hearts, sunflower oil. So it's using the oil, a little of the head, and the seeds. Definitely a fall and winter, spring and summer. Definitely a year-round, and it is rated 5 stars, better for birds. Next one. This one is another C&S 5-star rating. It's the fruit and nut treat. Definitely a winter, spring, summer, fall, or autumn, whatever you want to call it. Again, you might not find these in your area. If you want to see the back of this one, you can tell there's a lot of fruit and nuts in it. And because I didn't show you the other backs of them, Sunflower Delight. Just looks great. Brown and gray. Year-round, very generic one. Again, looks like an average suet cake. And Birdwatcher's Best Superior Blend. Suet looks almost more fatty. And that's what I have for this video. Next video, which I'll be uploading soon, will be on suet feeders, and here's a sneak peek at what I'm going to be showing. That's your sneak peek. Again, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when you get my videos. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.